Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Upper ID card. Your Upper ID card is a versatile tool designed to simplify your daily interactions across various facilities. It serves as your primary identification, granting access to secure areas and enabling convenient transactions. Understanding its core functions is the first step to maximizing its benefits and ensuring a smooth experience throughout your day. Activating your Upper ID card is a straightforward process, typically completed in just a few minutes. You will need to visit the designated online portal or an on-site kiosk. There, you'll input your unique card number and verify your personal details. A confirmation, often via email or text message, will finalize your registration, making your card ready for immediate use across all services. Your Upper ID card offers seamless integration into your daily routine. Use it to effortlessly access secure buildings, simply by tapping it against a reader. It also functions as a convenient payment method at campus dining halls and approved vendors, eliminating the need for cash. Furthermore, it grants you access to library resources and recreational facilities, enhancing your overall experience. Protecting your Upper ID card is crucial. If your card is lost or stolen, report it immediately through the official online portal or by contacting support, available 24 hours a day. Your personal data is safeguarded by robust privacy protocols. Remember, prompt reporting helps prevent unauthorized use and ensures your peace of mind, allowing for a quick replacement process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.